Hi, welcome to EdTech Moment, where we take just a moment to show you how to quickly integrate technology into your classroom. I'm Bill Selleck, and today we're going to be looking at how to quickly navigate through the Mac operating system. The default, your computer is called the Finder if you're not using a particular program, so we'll be looking at shortcuts for just the Finder. Very simple. The reason you want to do this is so that you can quickly move around without having to always come up to the menus. And it's really just about efficiency. Instead of going to File Save 30 times in a row, Command S and you're done. I'll teach you a few ways to quickly find ways to navigate through and learn what all those different symbols mean to learn your own shortcuts. So here I am in my Finder. If I come up here to File, there's a few things that are incredibly useful. First one is just a new Finder window. Do you see that thing right there? Kind of looks like a four-leaf clover, like an interchange. That's called Command. That's the Command symbol. It's right next to the space bar. So look down at your space bar right now. It says Command. If you're PC, you can just close this and go look at our previous episode. So for the Mac, anytime you push Command N, you're set. I like to always push Command with my left thumb and then push whatever other combination with my other fingers. My right hand typically is on the mouse. Even if I'm on a trackpad, I have my right hand here, and then left thumb is always on Command. Another Finder tool I love is getting information about something. So Command N, let me open up something new. Let's take a look at some books. If I want to find out what this is or when I got this, I have some information down here. But if I get info, Command I for info, instead of doing get info, just Command I, it's going to pull that up and give me all the information I want. I can change the label, decide what it's going to open with. So in almost all the applications you have on your Apple computer, Command N will give you something new. Command W will almost always close, and Q will quit. Q is really easy, quit, Command Q. Close, the Q and the W are right next to each other, so that's a kind of a quick way to remember quit and close. Command N, new text document. If I want to close that, Command Q. If I quit, Command Q. There we go. You've probably noticed I brought up this application switcher. This shows me whatever's open. If I hold Command and tab through, it's going to let me select one. I can also move my mouse and click on it. If I hold Shift, it's going to reverse the order. So I was going to the right. If I hold Shift, it goes to the left. That works, again, for almost every sort of application. If you're going through a list and you tab, Shift tab will reverse that. Command tab to do one thing, Command Shift tab to do something else. Again, working with the Finder, if I want a new folder, you'll see it's not just Command N. That up arrow is the Shift key. So the combination I like to do is I'll do Command with my thumb, Shift with my pinky, and then reach over for the N. Again, I want to do this all with one hand, so my right hand is always on my trackpad or on my mouse. So if I go just to my desktop, I close that with Command W. Command Shift N gives me a new folder. Here's a couple other ones I absolutely love. If you want to change the way this is viewed, Command 1 views this as icons, Command 2 as a single list, and Command 3 is viewing it in columns. If you care, there's also cover flow here. You can swipe through. I've never enjoyed this, but I do like occasionally 1, Command 2, Command 3, but not so much that one. One last trick I'd love to show you is how I added this called the path. You can see I'm on my hard drive inside a folder called Bill, and it opens up my documents. If I control click, that's like a right click. So if you ever hear someone say right click, control click and customize the toolbar. If I don't like it, I just drag it out. If I do like it, drag it in, and the path looks just like that. It shows you where something's located. So a few of the shortcuts I use all the time is open, Command O, print, Command P, save, Command S. And of all of them, cut, copy, and paste is one you just have to know. So if you don't know cut, copy, and paste, if I type in hello, if I select it, cut, Command X, copy, Command C, paste, Command V. So if I wanted to cut this and put it here, Command V. And if you look at your keyboard, X, C, and V are all right next to each other in a row, so it should be really fast to be able to cut, copy, paste. Please visit us at edtechmoment.com for this and other amazing tutorials for your classroom. You can always email us at feedback@edtechmoment.com, or just if you want to email me, bill@edtechmoment.com. And definitely check us out on Twitter. We're at edtechmoment. I'm Bill. Thanks for taking just a moment.